at the rock quarry in Norway, I heard the sound of the rocks being broken, and the sound reminded me of a crying or a yelling or a mourning. And I thought about rupture and what rupture does inside of us, whether it be emotional or physical or spiritual. The music for the quarry is an ancient war song. Dancing to this music in the quarry was able to help me understand my rage, or the rage that seemed to come out of the rocks and want to be expressed through me, my grieving, my rage, my frustrations, and use that energy in a powerful and reflective and healthy way, as opposed to a destructive way.